Hello students, how are you? I wish all of you will be healthy and safe. So students, today we will start the session 7 of unit 1. Okay. So in this session we will learn about the e-commerce. Okay, what is e-commerce and what are the advantage of e-commerce and various forms of e-commerce. Okay. So first of all you should know what is commerce. Commerce means business, and what do you mean by business? Business means buying and selling of product and services. Okay, so what is e-commerce? Stand for electronic commerce. It means buying and selling of product and services using internet. Okay, if the buying and selling of product and services is done manually or normally, it is known as commerce. If these services are provided using internet, then it is called e-commerce. Okay, so it is the most important services used over internet. You know very well, nowadays most of the person are using internet for e-commerce. Okay, for this many companies set up their website like Flipkart, Amazon, eBay, IRCTC. Full form of IRCTC, Indian Railways Catering and Tourist Corporation, etc. Okay, which provide the facility to purchase their products and services. So IRCTC not provide the products, it provide the services. Okay, so customers have the facility to pay using cash if you are purchasing the product, or if you are using the services. So in this case you have to pay the money. So they were different type of facilities available to pay the money, like cash on delivery. You can use a debit card, credit card, even net banking also. Okay, so various forms of e-commerce are for an online shopping, means purchasing product online. So online shopping is a form of electronic commerce which allows consumer to directly buy goods. So you can purchase the products directly through their websites or their apps also. Okay, and services from a seller over the internet using web browser. Nowadays these companies are providing their apps also. Okay, so you know what is online shopping. You know very well what is online shopping. Most of the people nowadays doing online shopping. Okay, no need to discuss more. Okay, so advantage of online shopping. Why do you do online shopping? Okay, convenient. Because online shopping is convenient, a wide range of products is available. Okay, so customer can purchase items from the comfort of their own homes. You can purchase the product by their homes or workplace. So it also easy to cancel the transaction. It is okay. You can, if the product is not comfortable for you, if you don't like the product, you can cancel the transaction, or even you can return the product also. Okay, so no pressure of shopping. Okay, the customers are not pressurized to buy the products in online stores. In manual shopping, you go to a particular shop. The shopkeeper see you only 2, 3 or 5, 10 products, but here you have a wide variety of range. Okay, and there is no pressure of shop. Okay, so online shopping saves time. Okay, so customers do not have stand in queues. There is no need to stand in lines in cash counters to pay the products. So they can shop from their home or workplace. Do not have to spend time traveling. In this way you save your money also. Okay, because there is no expense of traveling. Okay, and the comparison, because of the wide variety of products is available, so you can compare the various products, their quality and their cost also. It enables the buyer to choose from a variety of models after comparing the finished feature and price of the product on display. Sometimes price comparison are also available online, so you purchase the product which has cheap cost. Okay, now availability of online shop. You can do online shopping every time. Okay, there is no need to go to the shop to a particular time. You can do shopping every time. Okay, anytime. It is available for 365, means whole year, 24 days and 7 days. So this time does not act as a barrier wherever the vendor and buyers are. Okay, so you do not have to wait to open the shop. Okay, so So online shopping saves money. Okay, to attract customers, shopline retailers and marketers offer some discount coupons and offers also to the customer to attract the customer towards us. Okay, so all these are the some advantage of online shopping, like it is convenient, no pressure of shopping, online shopping saves time also, comparison is available, availability of online shop. Okay, every time you can do online shopping, and online shopping saves your money also. Okay, but there are some disadvantage also. So it's amazing that the online shopping has disadvantage also. Yes. So delayed in delivery in remote areas. Remote areas means in villages or hilly areas. These type of areas are called remote areas. Okay. So they faces the delayed in delivery. The product is delivered delayed in remote areas. Okay. So data security. Okay. Whenever you do online shopping, you provide the credit card or debit card details, so your data is not secure. Okay. So this is the main disadvantage of online shopping. Shipping charges also included in the cost of product also. The shipping is not free. The company includes the shipping charges also. Okay. And next one is lack of touch and feel of products in online shopping. For example, you are purchasing a shirt, okay, but you do not feel which type of cloth is being used in making the shirt. So it is the disadvantage. You cannot feel the and touch the product. Okay. And the next one is threats of frauds with non-trusted sites in online shopping. There is a threat of frauds because many non-trusted websites are all in the internet market also available. So you have to precautious about the trusted site. Okay. So next form of e-commerce is e-reservation, means electronic reservation. What do you mean by reservation? Yani booking of seats, rooms, etc. is known as reservation. E-reservation, that is reserving the seats over internet, is known as e-reservation. It is the form of e-commerce which refers to making an appointment using internet by using e-ticketing. You can only check the availability of seats in a bus, train and aircraft also. Okay. You can book tables in a restaurant also. You can book rooms in the hotels, etc. So this type of reservation is known as e-reservation. Except it, there are another form of e-commerce also, like e-learning, means online learning. You can take online tuitions also. Okay. E-governance. Nowadays, government is also using internet to control the activities related to government. And telemedicine, you can take the appointment to the doctor to treat any disease, okay, etc. Also there are various forms also of e-commerce, okay, are also the few form of e-commerce also. So students, enough for this session. Okay, I will continue I think only one session is also only remaining. So okay, in the next session I will finish the unit 1. Okay, so thank you, have a nice day, be healthy, be safe.